Dear ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove the adware called VectorGallery. VectorGallery is the adware from the adload family of computer infections. VectorGallery adware attacks Mac computers these days. It targets Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers. Once installed, it may start displaying a lot of intrusive advertisements not related to the site that you visit. In case this vector gallery was installed to your system, right-click on it and move it to the trash. If you find anything else suspicious, get rid of it. I also recommend you to research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. You may select your preferred operating system, by the way. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.